Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Make sure your Moto G85 is unlocked and has at least 20% battery so it won't sleep mid-check. Open Settings from the app drawer or swipe down and tap the gear icon. This gets you straight into system controls. Once done, scan the list for digital well-being and parental controls or a screen time option. That's the feature Android uses on this device. I'm having you jump in now so you don't waste time navigating home screens. Now tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and you'll see an overview card. Choose Dashboard or Screen Time to get into app-by-app usage. This view explains how many minutes or hours each app consumed. Make sure to change the time frame if you want a 7-day trend versus just today, because that shifts the data aggregation. As you explore, note the screen unlock count and notification totals. Those help explain spikes. If you need limits, I'll show how to set them next. Finish by setting app timers and enabling bedtime mode or focus to actively reduce screen time. Tap an app in the dashboard and choose Add Timer, then pick a limit. Once configured, make sure background activity permissions aren't blocking tracking, because that can hide usage. If you don't see expected data, restart the phone and check for a settings update. Clearing settings cache or toggling digital well-being off and on often restores tracking. That troubleshooting step fixes most missing data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.